pilots of the Achilles 429th Separate Unmanned Systems Brigade continue to play a decisive role in countering Russian assault operations, conducting precision drone strikes against enemy personnel and equipment across some of the most contested sectors of the front. Newly released combat footage from Ukraine's unmanned systems forces highlights the brigade's sustained activity along the Kupiansk and Pokrovsk axes, underscoring the expanding influence of unmanned technologies in modern battlefield dynamics. The videos, distributed through official military channels, show real-time aerial reconnaissance, followed by targeted strikes on small Russian infantry groups attempting to maneuver forward under cover of terrain and dispersed formations. These tactics, widely adopted by Russian forces over the past year, are designed to reduce vulnerability to artillery fire and long-range detection systems. Instead of large mechanized pushes, assault elements advance in compact squads, probing Ukrainian defensive lines for weaknesses while attempting to exhaust defenders through constant pressure. However, drone operators from the 429th Brigade have adapted to these evolving battlefield patterns. Their operational approach centers on persistent surveillance and rapid strike capability. Utilizing high-resolution reconnaissance drones combined with strike UAVs, crews monitor likely avenues of approach, tree lines, ruined structures, and trench networks where enemy units may attempt to assemble. Once movement is detected, operators either coordinate with artillery units or deploy loitering munitions and strike drones directly against exposed personnel. Military analysts note that this early detection model significantly disrupts assault momentum. Small infantry groups rely on speed, concealment, and synchronization. When surveillance drones maintain continuous observation overhead, those advantages diminish. Precision strikes delivered before Russian troops can consolidate into defensible positions often force withdrawals, inflict casualties, and delay broader offensive timelines. In practical terms, even limited tactical engagements can have operational-level implications when repeated daily across multiple sectors. The Kupiansk direction in Kupiansk and the Pokrovsk axis near Pokrovsk remain strategically significant due to their logistical routes and proximity to fortified defensive belts. Kupiansk serves as a critical rail and supply hub in northeastern Ukraine, while Pokrovsk anchors defensive positions protecting deeper urban centers in the Donetsk region. Sustained pressure in these areas reflects Moscow's continued attempts to stretch Ukrainian defenses and seek incremental territorial gains. According to figures released by Ukraine's unmanned systems forces, more than 590 Russian personnel were struck by the 429th Brigade during February alone. While battlefield casualty claims cannot be independently verified, the reported numbers illustrate the scale and frequency of drone engagements currently shaping frontline combat. The high operational tempo suggests near-constant reconnaissance coverage and rapid strike deployment across contested zones. Beyond frontline infantry engagements, Ukraine's unmanned units have also intensified efforts to dismantle critical elements of Russia's air defense network. As previously reported by Defense Express, Ukrainian forces conducted a coordinated strike against 3 Russian Tor surface-to-air missile systems in temporarily occupied areas of Zaporizhzhia region. The Tor system, designed to intercept aircraft, cruise missiles, and drones at short to medium ranges, represents a key component of layered air defense architecture. The operation was confirmed by Major Robert Brovdy, widely known by his call sign Magyar, commander of Ukraine's unmanned systems forces. He described the mission as a systematic effort to erode Russia's integrated air defense capabilities, thereby expanding operational freedom for Ukrainian reconnaissance and strike drones. Neutralizing such systems not only reduces immediate threats to UAV crews, but also opens corridors for deeper strikes against logistics nodes, command posts, and ammunition depots. growing prominence of unmanned systems reflects a broader transformation in modern warfare. Both sides have invested heavily in drone production, electronic warfare countermeasures, and tactical innovation. For Ukraine, brigades like the 429th Achilles represent a shift toward decentralized, technology-driven defense, where rapid intelligence gathering and precision strikes can offset numerical disadvantages in manpower or artillery. As fighting continues along the eastern and southern fronts, the operational pattern observed on the Kupiansk and Pokrovsk axes may serve as a blueprint for future engagements. Persistent aerial surveillance, rapid strike response, and systematic targeting of air defense infrastructure are reshaping the tempo and character of frontline operations. In this evolving environment, the Achilles 429th Separate Unmanned Systems Brigade remains at the forefront of Ukraine's drone-centered defensive strategy, demonstrating how battlefield innovation can redefine both tactical engagements and broader operational outcomes.
Наводка восстановлена. Один огонь. Выстрел!